Hi, my last vacation were in the city of San Gil. I stayed at my house with my wife. I liked it because it was a hot climate and very nice villages to visit. I paid very little money for the holidays. The place I liked the most was Barichara. The climate of San Gil is hot. I didn't not rain any day. I recommend wearing light and comfortable clothes, tennis shoes to be available a walk for a long time and visit nearly towns. What people should not do: extreme sports, paragliding, ecological walks, visiting nearly towns. What people should not do: wearing comfortable clothes, do not have tennis, throw garbage, do not agree locals. And in the second image, we can see the family farm. I am visit this farm about 2 times per month. It's called Climates. Here we have many trees, many water. A little river cross the farm. Now I am building a house. When I finish my work life, I wait to live here with my wife. I would like to buy 2 dogs and a cat.